Hello and welcome to Fastflow. Thank you for purchasing. This video is going to give you an overview of how to navigate this site and get your license key and activate the Fastflow dashboard so that you can install your plugins. So from this page you can see here there's a download button where you can download the Fastflow dashboard. You can also install this directly within WordPress. So let's go into WordPress now and do that. So from within WordPress we just need to go to plugins and add new. And we can search for Fastflow on the repository. And you'll see here the Fastflow plugin appears and we can just install directly. And once that's installed we just activate. And you'll see the Fastflow dashboard appears here. So from here we want to actually go to the license. So if we return to the Fastflow site, and you'll see a link here to the license key. So if we just press that, you'll be able to collect your license code. Just copy that and then enter the license code in the box. So once your site is activated, you'll be able to visit the add-ons page, and any of your licensed add-ons will appear here for installation. There's more add-ons here available if you haven't purchased them yet, and we can also install some of the free ones that are available on the WordPress repository. And we also have some recommended plugins that you can access which are available on WordPress. These are plugins we recommend and they are well maintained and well updated plugins. It's worth checking them out as we recommend them in some of our tutorials. So if you want to install any of these plugins, just press install and then activate, and the plugin will appear here once you refresh the page. Any of the settings the plugins have will appear here on the settings page, and there's a separate panel for each plugin which needs the settings updating. Any questions, you can reach our support directly from this page, and you can also update your account from this link here. You can also access any tutorials and training from the buttons at the side as well.